Task management is the most crucial factor when setting deadlines for projects. It may often require constant switching between multiple apps for project planning and scheduling, which always reduces efficiency and productivity. GanttPRO is a top-tier project management software designed to simplify the complex task of managing multiple projects with ease. It offers an intuitive online Gantt chart that allows users to break down their projects into tasks, subtasks, and milestones. This detailed task management system ensures a more organized and efficient project scheduling process, enabling users to set due dates, durations, and dependencies effortlessly. With GanttPRO, creating project timelines and managing resources becomes streamlined, making it easier for teams to track project progress efficiently. One of GanttPRO's standout features is its powerful Gantt chart functionality. Unlike other project management tools, GanttPRO offers pre-configured templates that cater to various industries, saving users valuable time in project planning and execution. The GanttPRO drag-and-drop functionality allows for quick adjustments to tasks, making rescheduling projects smoother and hassle-free. With GanttPRO's real-time collaboration features, team members can leave comments, share files, and receive instant notifications, ensuring clear communication and project alignment at all times. In this in-depth GanttPRO review, we're diving into the top benefits, standout features, pricing, and usability of the powerful project management tool. We'll also explore how GanttPRO can transform your task management and project operations. Plus, we'll share real user comments and testimonials to give you a comprehensive view of the software. So, stick with us until the end of this video to uncover expert tips on leveraging GanttPRO to boost your conversion rates with ease. Also, don't forget to check the link in the description below to try GanttPRO for free. What does GanttPRO really do? GanttPRO is a market-leading project management software that uses its powerful Gantt chart approach to streamline project planning, project execution, and task management. Designed for both individuals and teams, GanttPRO simplifies the process of managing projects from start to finish, allowing users to map out tasks, timelines, and resources with ease. Its intuitive interface and visually engaging Gantt charts make it simple to break down complex projects into manageable components, helping you and your project teams stay on track. Whether you're managing multiple projects or a single initiative, GanttPRO ensures efficient workflow, making it the ultimate tool for delivering projects on time and within budget. In addition, GanttPRO's automated scheduling feature automates workflows by eliminating the need for manual task updates, giving you more time to focus on high-priority tasks. Not only does GanttPRO help you track task progress, but it also provides insights into resource allocation, cost tracking, and workload management. This is why GanttPRO has been the go-to option for all businesses looking to streamline their project operations and achieve project success effortlessly. Benefits and key features of GanttPRO. Some of the benefits and unique features of GanttPRO include: 1. Intuitive user interface. GanttPRO offers a well-organized dashboard that helps create, modify, and track project progress without the learning curve typically associated with other project management software. 2. Built-in Gantt charts and Kanban board views. The core strength of GanttPRO is its built-in Gantt charts, which visually present project timelines, tasks, and dependencies in a simplified manner. Additionally, GanttPRO offers Kanban board views, providing flexibility in how tasks are managed. This versatility gives team members the ability to work in their preferred style without sacrificing efficiency. 3. Comprehensive task management. GanttPRO allows users to structure, prioritize, assign, and track tasks with ease. Advanced features like task dependencies, subtasks, and critical path analysis help ensure all project steps are aligned. 4. Time tracking and resource management. With GanttPRO, team members can log hours worked using built-in timers or manual entry. The platform also allows users to allocate resources, track availability, and monitor team workloads to prevent burnout. 5. Real-time team collaboration. GanttPRO allows team members to collaborate seamlessly from anywhere in the world. Members can also leave comments, share files, and receive real-time notifications, ensuring everyone stays updated and aligned on the project goals. 6. Automatic scheduling. GanttPRO's automatic scheduling feature removes the hassle of manually adjusting project timelines. This helps identify any deviations from the project early, allowing for proactive adjustments. 7. Budget and cost management. With GanttPRO, you can assign costs to tasks, monitor expenses, and calculate project budgets with precision. This integration of financial oversight into project management allows businesses to optimize resource allocation and control project costs. 8. Seamless integration and importing capabilities. GanttPRO easily integrates with popular third-party tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Zapier, streamlining your workflow and enhancing project management efficiency. Additionally, GanttPRO allows seamless importing of projects from other software. GanttPRO's pricing and plans. GanttPRO offers a pricing model based on monthly and annual contracts. The 14-day free trial allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. The paid plans include the Basic, Pro, Business, and Enterprise plans. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited project templates on all plans. Pros: customizable Kanban boards for task management, interactive Gantt charts for project planning, visualize and optimize project timelines using the critical path feature, track project's progress and identify delays or issues with timelines, ability to automate workflows on multiple projects, optimize resource allocation across tasks and team members, ready-made project templates for different industries, with the possibility to create and save custom templates, excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Cons: the 14-day free trial comes with limited features. In conclusion, GanttPRO stands out as the best project management software for teams and individuals seeking a powerful, intuitive tool to streamline their project. By centralizing project coordination and enhancing visibility into every phase of the project process, GanttPRO ensures that project managers and teams can easily monitor progress, track milestones, and adjust timelines with ease. Its ability to create multiple workspaces and delegate tasks makes GanttPRO an indispensable tool for improving team productivity and accountability. Whether you're working on a small project or managing a large-scale initiative, GanttPRO provides everything you need to keep your projects on track and drive results. You can check the link in the description below to try GanttPRO for free, with free access to premium tools that will help improve your project management. If you enjoy this GanttPRO review, highly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.